Okay, so first item we're gonna pull out here. Looks like we got a travel bag. Very cool. Skincare travel. Oh, this is actually super. This is pretty nice. It's got like a little sewn in patch, and it feels like there's stuff in here. Oh, look at this. Skincare. And nice. Face moisturizer. Very cool. All right. And then we have the Extreme Hold Matte Pomade. All right, we'll definitely try this out later. Now we have the Fiber Pomade. All right, I've been wanting to try this one for a while as well. Very. Next thing, the koozie. Okay, and the last thing, looks like it's gonna be their tonic. This is, let's see here, tea tree, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. All right, interesting. I'm not a huge 3-in-1 type of person, but yeah, we'll give this a shot.